Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now time for our school theme song.
A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is one stop for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's up for school, the greatest school. One's up for school, the greatest school. One's up for school, the greatest school. One's up for school, the greatest school.
Alrighty, let's take a look at our plan for today, Wednesday. In math, you are watching a video here, and you're completing journal page 246 here, and you'll be playing equivalent fractions on Connect Ed. In language arts, you're going to watch my video, and then you're going to review and organize your notes from both of your animals that you've researched, and you're choosing the subtopic that you will compare and contrast, and you're typing it in here. And today, Charlotte's Web chapters 9 and 10 are available to you. You have to listen to those by the end of the week. Your may-dos are the same. Remember, you can do the 8 STEM challenges at home. Shout out to Leia, who did an awesome one with marbles. She did a really nice job. You can tell she put a lot of work into it, and it turned out great. So nice job, Leia. Backyard scavenger hunt, Isabella has done it. Let's see if we can get some more of our friends to play along. I think this one will be a pretty easy one, and it's nice to get outside, but maybe you can wait until Friday when it's going to be 85 degrees. That might be a good idea. And finally, our helping heroes of the week are shop workers and store clerks. Here's a picture of Scout and me thanking shop workers and store clerks. So let me see your posters thanking these essential workers. Have a good day.